living example that the Matrix is real. I had no idea prior to me purchasing this brand new dinner plate that I was going to buy a rack of ribs. And it fits perfectly. Time to make a Malt Liquor video. It's fine Malt Liquor. It's a rack of ribs. Made in a microwave. Malt Liquor.
Yeah, drop the beats. In the planet of Earth, I am the most famous person of the world. Everybody knows who I am, even the people who don't know who I am. Because I am very super famous, super famous, super famous. Very super famous, a lot of people know I exist. I am very super famous, super famous, super famous. Very super famous, you are not, so you are shit. All around the world, people know who I am. Even in the Chinese countries like Japan. North, south, east, west to east. I make their panties wet like basements in New Orleans. In the French language, girls say mon moitié génito. Spanish girls also say things.
These ribs have more meat on them. More than fucking dumb cunt's ribs that he made several months ago. I mean, it's definitely no McRib sandwich. You know me. It's McRib all day, but when I was going down the grocery aisle looking for something to purchase this Memorial Day, I found this Brookwood Farms real pit cooked baby back ribs. Says on the back you can make it in a microwave. I said game on. Let's go. If the microwave goes down, I fucking die. Facts, dog. Facts. Malt Liquor.
Hey, my nigga. Whoa. 50 Cent. Easy, nigga. Yeah. Yeah. You want beef with me? Take the number and get it out. Yeah. You want pairs with me? Pop your top off with the knife. You mad at me? Shit, cause you can't shine. You ain't getting yours? Fucked up cause you get mine. Got an M1 in my hand, I'm finna start killing shit. I'm not the nation's new Malcolm X, but I'm militant. But I'm supposed.
Well, technically, if the microwave goes down, I buy another microwave. If the power goes out for several days, possibly weeks, I fucking die. Keep me plugged into the Matrix. Cold containers of Malt Liquor. Label out.
To be scared, cause you got a big chest. My 4/5 will lift you in your motherfucking bench press. Why you screaming war senseless? I'm trying to spaz. Swing my knife till I break it off in your ass. Niggas get hugged up in a huddle. I know how to clear them out. 4/5 4 shots, that'll fucking air them out. In the hood, niggas love me cause I keep it real. G-Unit niggas, they gon' always get there. Whether it's 2 G's or 20 G's. Whether they knock with 2 pieces or 2 keys. Bitch, please, you on your knees, you can lick these. I'm not that nigga that you strip tease. You gotta follow my anger.
Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Just falling off the bone. That's how you do it, OD'd. Shout out to my white Adidas coat. It's already seen layers of barbecue sauce throughout the years of McRib sauce. So I said, don't want to ruin another coat. Malt Liquor.
Nigga, too cold, cause I'm out like a pimp in a trick. You won't be with me, take a number and get nine. You bump heads with me, I pop your top off with the 9. You mad at me? Shit, cause you can't shine. You ain't getting yours, fucked up, cause I'm getting mine. You won't be with me, take a number and get 9. You bump heads with me, I pop your top off with the 9. You mad at me? Shit, cause you can't shine. You ain't getting.
Just past the dwarf zone. So yeah. I'm not about waiting 15 fucking hours for a meal. Not my thing, dog. I like my meals presented to me ready to enjoy with under 10 minutes. Other than that, I really don't care how good the fucking meal is. It's a fucking waste of time. Malt Liquor.
Yours fucked up.
But that's just my opinion. Malt Liquor.
When somebody hears, listen to the fear that's gone, strangled by the wishes of fate, hoping for the arms of later, get to me the sooner or later.
Shout out to 40 Ounce Fear. Shout out to 209 J Jones. I mean, apparently what I've seen, you know, well, more of 209 J Jones meals. 40 Ounce Fear doesn't really came up with food. But they're not smug assholes about it. I mean, they're, you know, enjoy cooking the, you know, the premium meals, but they're not smug about it. Like fucking OD'd, dumb cunt, Fat Reggie. Think they're the best fucking cooks on the flat earth. Never forget when OD'd met Fat Reggie and his marriage went down, right down to fucking crapper. Fat Reggie, do a meetup with Dumb Cunt. And see if you two assholes can jump your Winnebagos over the Grand Canyon. Malt Liquor.
Holding back the years, chance for me escape from all I know. Holding back the tears, 'cause nothing here is wrong. I've wasted all
That's why I won't lose my street cred. These are baby back ribs, fully cooked, naturally smoked, gluten-free, whatever that fucking means, with sweet Carolina style barbecue sauce. But it clearly says on the back, microwave ready. Made in a microwave. But yeah, definitely give me a McRib sandwich over a rack of ribs. All day, every day. Well, not every day. Not every day, because you got to keep feeding for it. That's the whole purpose of McDonald's putting out the McRib. Limited time only. Because they want you sitting in your chair, counting down the days till McRib season. We're almost there. Malt Liquor. Yep, fun fact. Had no idea I was going to purchase a rack of ribs before I bought this dinner plate. That's when you know the Matrix is real. But yeah, give me a McRib sandwich over a rack of ribs. I mean, it's just the right thing to do. Like not foaming the living fuck out of the 40 ounce. Steak Dick Tony Tim Rouse shader. Muskrat 419, if you're watching, write me out what you are. You hillbilly southern piece of trash. Take that burner and press it up to your dome. Pull the fucking trigger. Tiny Tim Rouse shader yourself. Fuck you, Muskrat 419. Swill we're there.
A man walks down the street, he says, why am I soft in the middle now? Why am I soft in the middle? The rest of my life is so hard. I need a photo opportunity. I want a shot of redemption. Don't want to end up a cartoon in a cartoon graveyard. Bone digger, dogs in the moonlight. Far away, my well-lit room. Just a beer melon. Get these mutts away from me, you know. I don't find this stuff amusing anymore. If you be my bodyguard, I can be your long-lost pal. I can call you Betty. Betty, when you call me, you can call me out. A man walks down the street, he says, why am I short of attention? Got a short little...
Well, that's it. No WB foam. Malt Liquor.